This experience was great for families with small kids. I loved that they could take part in an artistic activity that will remind them of Istanbul and take a little break from walking around so much. We loved it. Fabulous experience, and we met some lovely people along the way in our workshop. The ladies running the workshop were so friendly. The workshop was held in a restaurant near the bridge. The 2 hours flew by, and my 7-year-old was very satisfied. Walking around outside is fun, but it can be tiring, so if you have the time, this kind of quiet time is also good and highly recommended. We got there together with our 8-year kid. The 2 hours passed very fast. Smile. All enjoyed it very much. The hosts were extremely kind and supportive despite the mess we made. Today, we reached back home and we lighted up the candles. Great souvenir and experience. You can also choose the electric lamp, but that is more bulky, so you need to mind the transportation.